welcome to my channel, and tonight we are cooking pork sinigang, and it's made out of pork liempo, which is the belly of the pork, and it's my youngest daughter's favorite food. So help me make it today. We'll start by boiling the pork. So, nilinis ko na yung pork. Inano ko na siya. I washed it with water. So, you just make sure that the water is enough. Then, you add some fish sauce. Yung fish sauce or patis, it will depend on your preference. Like ako, I like it salty. So, some people, they don't like it salty. So, you just add bit by bit. And then, you find out what, ano yung preference mo. And then, we'll add also the broth cube. It's pork broth cube. It makes the food more yummier. So, hintayin na natin siya mag-boil. And then, pag nag-boil na siya, hinaan natin yung stove para lumambot siya. So, kumukulo na siya. So, let's check it. Okay naman po. Tanggalin natin yung scum or yung sasabaw. And then we can add the gabi. I like my tomatoes super cooked para lumabas talaga yung asim niya. So, dinadagdag ko na kahit na medyo matagal palulutuin yung sinigang. And the onions also. So, we'll just let it boil until it's malambot na yung pork. And that's how easy it is. Pork sinigang is so easy. You just mix everything and that's it. Before ako matutong magluto, everything felt like it was so difficult. Kasi nga, I didn't know how. So now that I know, it's just boiling pala. Like the stews are just boiled. You're just supposed to boil all of the ingredients together. The key is not to get overwhelmed. Lagi lang bukas yung mind natin na mindset mo lang na madali. Everything is madali pag marunong ka na. But if you're still a student or you're just starting out, then everything will feel like it's mahirap. But you will get there. So, we'll just wait for it to be tender. So, yan. Kumukulo na siya. We'll just check. Pero mukhang matagal-tagal pa to. Hinaan natin konti. Tapos, we can also add the mix already. Ako, I like mine super sour. I don't like it bland. So, usually, I add 2 mixes to 1 dish. Pag mga 1 kilo. Depends sa'yo. So, yun nga, add bit by bit. Kasi iba-iba yung preference ng tao. Usually 1, and then kulang pa, so I add 1 more. 1.5 to 2 mixes sa isang 1 kilo na dish. I just added half muna. And then, we'll mix it. And then we can taste. Although, hindi pa masyadong malambot. Check now kung kamusta na siya. And then taste it if it's okay or if I need to add some more sinigang mix. Siyempre, be careful, baka mapasok. I think it's good. Enough na yung 1.5. I need more patis, but that's just me. Again, that's just me. And then we can add the green chilies, which is, this is siling haba. That's what you call it in Tagalog. And then some kangkong. So now we're done. Malambot na yung meat and we're gonna check kung kamusta na yung lasa. I hope it's good or else. It's so simple. Sinigang is so simple. You just have to make the meat tender. And then when it's tender, ano pala, ang tip pala is you choose liempo para may fat. And then, mas mabilis siyang lumambot and mas may flavor. And the next also is, I use the one with the gabi. Yung mix na, ang variant is sampalok mix with gabi. Para mas creamy yung sauce ng sinigang. So now we're gonna check kung kamusta siya. It's good. So like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you next video. Bye!